everyone. Is your Snapchat location not updating or Snap Map? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you easy and effective ways to fix the Snap app issue step by step. Step 1. Turn on location services. First, open your phone settings. Go to location and make sure location services are turned on. Step 2. Allow Snapchat location permission. Now head to settings, apps, Snapchat, permission, location. Select allow all the time or allow while using the app. If location access is blocked, Snap Map won't update. Step 3. Turn off ghost mode. Open Snapchat and go to Snap Map. Tap the settings icon and make sure ghost mode is turned off. When ghost mode is done, your location stay hidden. Step 4. Enable precise location. iPhone only. If you are using an iPhone, go to settings, Snapchat, location. Turn on precise location or accurate Snap Map updates. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Step 6. Restart Snapchat and your phone. Close Snapchat completely and open it again. If needed, restart your phone to refresh system services. Step 7. Update Snapchat app. Open the Play Store or App Store and check for more Snapchat updates. Using an outdated app can cause Snap Map problem. Step 8. Clear Snapchat cache. Android only. On Android, go to settings, apps, Snapchat, storage and cache. Tap clear cache. Do not clear data as it may log you out. Important tips. Snap Map updates only when you open Snapchat. Location updates may take a few minutes. Avoid using VPNs as they can block location tracking. And that's it. These steps should fix Snapchat location not updated or Snap Map. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Snapchat and easy teach fixes.